Vince McMahon here again for another episode of LJN Playtime Wrestling. Here we are, Jesse. Are you happy for another episode?
Whoops, I don't know. Who do we got going on tonight? Well,
Here we go. Let's go back to ringside with Mean Gene Okerlund.
Mean Gene here. Tonight's match we have in this corner here, George, the Animal Steele. And his opponent coming down the aisle, Rowdy Piper. All right, here they go. Mean Gene out there. Cowboy Bob Orton covering Roddy's back here in the match here tonight. Look at the George Steele's not afraid at all. Look at this, but both of them are scaring him back into the corner. All right, referee's telling him, Cowboy, get outside. He's outside here. All right, Cowboy's outside. Roddy Piper acknowledging the fans, what they think of him. What are the fans saying? All right, Mean Gene steps outside quickly before he gets into trouble. Okay, Roddy Piper takes his skirt off, does his twirly whirl, and chucks it outside. Cowboy gets out. Cowboy's hat's off. I guess it's too hot to wear that tonight. It's a hot night tonight. Alright, so here they are. Look at this, Roddy Piper trying to intimidate George Steele. George doesn't know what's going on. Look into the crowd. Hey! Look at that! Piper nailing him. Taking him. Oh my goodness, what's this? He's got him all wrapped up against the rope. Referee's there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Throws Piper back to the corner here. Cowboy Bob up in the corner here, giving some advice to Roddy. While the referee's here untangling George Steele. Got him all loosened out here. Ref's got caught up. All right. George Steele. Look at this. Piper. Oh, he's got Piper now. Look at this. Wow, he's an animal. He doesn't know one wrestling move whatsoever. Look, what's that? Was that a body slam? Unbelievable. Wow, look at this. He's got Piper. Oh, wow. He's got him. Cowboy goes flying. Oh my God. Whoa, what is this? He's got in the corner. He's eating the Look at this. Oh my God. He's got it all. Everything's going over here. Oh my God. Look at that. Taking it all out. Referee's coming here. We've seen what's going on here. George Steele. What's he doing? He grabs a handful. Stumps it in the referee's face. The referee's gone out of dodge. Oh my God. Roddy Piper comes back into the ring. Wow, George wasn't looking. Nails him. Look at this. The referee's still out of here. We got a mess all over the place. He's got him. Look at this. Roddy Piper. He's got him by the headlock here. Cowboy Bob in the ring with his cast. Oh, he nails the nail. There's not enough. The referee's still trying to get himself together outside. But Piper, he's got him up. Look at this. Well, Cowboy Bob climbs up. He's going to the top rope with the cast. Oh, no. The door's nailed. Oh, look at this. He slides back out. He grabs the leg. Hooks the leg. Referee comes in. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's it. It's all over. Nail it. All over the place. There it is. Cowboy and Roddy Piper. He got his hat back on. All right, the referee here to lift the hand of the winner, Roddy Piper. All right. Oh my God, I can't believe what we've seen here tonight, Roddy Piper. Can I have a word with you, please? Don't you tell me anything. I'm going to be telling you something, and you don't tell me nothing. What? Well, I guess that's all we got out of him. Thank you very much, folks, for joining in for some more action-packed wrestling and some LJN Playtime. Here we go. Stay tuned for some more. Please subscribe. Cheers.